So how do you lock and unlock the Sealy Ease 3.0 adjustable base? So this is how you will do it, all right? So the first one, if you're going to unlock it, all you have to do is just to press these two buttons here together, the leg part. All right, I'm doing it. And just wait for that. If the light is blinking, so it means you're good. So you could unlock it. All right, and this is what's happening. Here's what's happening. So you could adjust it. So this one is unlocked already. All right, and then if you want to lock this adjustable base, this is what you're going to do. First, you're going to press the head part together. All right, this one, this, and wait for the light to blink. All right, it's already blinked now. So as you can see here, whatever button that you are pressing, it's not working because it's locked. So we're going to unlock it again using this leg part. So you need to press it, these two together. Wait for the light to blink. It's blinking now, and it's working now. All right, as you can see that, so it's working. And so that one is the unlock and lock, or the child lock of the Ease 3.0 adjustable base. All right, thank you.